In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can update all your drivers on Windows 11 using the CMD. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. To update all your drivers on Windows 11 using the CMD, the first thing that you want to do is come to Google and you want to type in winget. Okay, type in winget, and you want to go to this website here at the top. Click onto that, and then it'll take you to this page, and you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see if it's possible that app installer is not installed on your device. Then you just click here to install the application, and then you click on install. Once you have clicked on to install, what you can do is close down your browser and you want to open up the CMD command prompt, and you want to run this as administrator, and then click on yes. And then when this pops up, you just have to type in winget. You type in what you type in is winget upgrade. Type winget upgrade like that, and then hit enter. Then it will list out all your available apps and drivers. Then the next thing you type in is winget, put a space, two lines like that, and then upgrade all like that, and then you hit enter, and we'll update all your drivers and apps. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.